Pigeon release, top of Yale's Lock Street Health Plan. We're up a good distance here, and it's really a pretty spot. But not only that, it's kind of convenient for these guys. Now listen, pigeons, fly home. Don't get mixed with any riffraff on the way.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
So there's 13 of them.
Okay, 13 pigeons.
Lucky 13.
Let them go.
Come on.
Let them rip. Woohoo! Okay. Stay together, kids. Stay together. Okay. Stay together.
Don't get mixed up with the city pigeons.
Remember, no city pigeons.
I guess they're trying to figure out the way home. They're staying in a group, which is really nice.
Go,
There's
kids,
13
go.
of them. There's 4 older ones, and the other ones are young birds. So hopefully they will find their way home. I think they got like a wind about 12 knots. So they still haven't figured out the way home yet. But the good thing is they're staying together, which I'm very, very happy for. Alrighty, let's hope they make it home, all in a group. Last time, 10 of them came in as a group, so hopefully all 13 will come in. Later.